I'm so excited. I think that it's amazing that he picked me and Ethan to work together, and he loved the way that we're in the class, always have a good attitude, always doing different types and styles of cooking, and now we just get to use it in a new environment against other schools. I think it's a great new learning experience.
This is the second time we've participated in this competition, and it is Farm to Table, which is a national school program started, I believe, in Tennessee. And we were the first state outside of the Tennessee region to participate in it. And so we're really excited. So we're actually defending our title. The program is based off of lunches for schools, and this is sort of a program to bring local farms into the area and into the schools, and using locally sourced products to create a healthy lunch that falls within the guidelines of the FDA.
We're doing a steak and farro grain dish, and we have to keep it low sodium, low fat, not many oils, to keep it as healthy as possible for students.
We've done this dish so many times. We've gotten different perspectives from different students, staff members, and offered to help us make this dish. And I just feel so supported. And Chef's given us different things. He's thrown different things at us throughout challenges that we've done, even in this class, which doesn't concern the dish, that we get to use it and apply it. So I think we're most definitely ready.
With this competition, the judges they're just observers. They don't really engage. The engagement part comes after. There's a Q&A session after their dish is prepared. So we'll have the dishes, we'll lay it out, and we'll do a Q&A with the students. Videos are submitted to their judges this year, and a chef will prepare their meal for the judge panel to taste it.
It makes me feel great. I especially like our odds, because I know a lot of other cooking areas don't really start cooking until the second semester. So with that extra semester that we had, I feel a lot more confident in winning.